Welcome back to our channel. We're hitting the front wall this week. This is what we began with, and this is what we turned it into. Let's head over to Jo.
I'm going to attempt to undo the bolts on the inside of the windows. These bolts are attached to the grills outside because we want to paint them to freshen it up and make it look as nice as we can. We originally thought we'd paint them white, but we now think that the Greek blue is going to look best. So today's job is getting these off and getting them repainted. And I've actually managed the first one. These ones are actually much easier than the big one that we did the other day. I couldn't turn them at all the other day. And these ones are just popping off. Let's go outside and see it come off.
One thing that you really notice when you start doing projects like this is how long the preparation takes. Just applying the masking tape to the windows, in this case for example, takes longer than painting the windows. It's a little bit frustrating. You need to allow a lot of time just to get the prep work done. But obviously it's a step that you can't really skip. Don't end up with paint all over the glass, and then you just got to go around scraping it off. Jo's very patient with things like that. Me, I prefer to get stuck into the big jobs. Don't really have the patience for these fiddly little jobs. Plus my fingers are twice the size of hers anyway. So it makes it more difficult. At least that's my excuse. Our original vision for the front of the villa was for it to be all white, but when we had the AI image generated, it came up with these blue bars. So we're going with that theme for now, to add a little bit of colour to the front. It feels really Greek, it feels really clean, and it feels really bright. So off I am up the ladder. This was a precarious job. There was no real way to paint that little triangle above the veranda roof other than climbing up onto the roof. I mean, yeah, I could have gone and got different ladders and maybe a little bit of scaffolding, but that would have been time consuming and probably way more expensive than just using this ropey old ladder. So up I went, balancing on the roof, getting all the painting done. It's a little bit fiddly painting under the rafters of the roof, but these are jobs that need doing. I don't want to be down on the ground and then spotting a bit of green that I've missed, so spent some time up there. Didn't have any accidents, and I think it looks pretty good in the end.
Day 6 of window painting.
It's beginning to take shape and the sun's beginning to set. Golden hour in Greece is absolutely beautiful. It casts a gorgeous glow on all of the buildings and all of the countryside. We've got an area here where the carport came down. There was a structure built that didn't have a license, so they had to take it down before we moved in. So we're still trying to figure out what to do with this patch of concrete. Might make a seating area, because lots of the Greeks have areas at the front where they sit outside in the shade, chat to the neighbours, shout across the road at people.
Dear Marie, hope you got somewhere to be. I've been floating out in space. I thought I'd write to you in case you felt alone, just like me, with this anxiety. Is it all a simulation? Ones and zeros in an empty space. I wish I could be with you again, 'cause I'm lonely as ever, and I thought it'd get better. And I hope to see your face somewhere, 'cause I'm lonely as ever, and it doesn't get better.
So our goal to brighten up the front of the villa is really on track.
AI vision.
It's nice to keep reminding ourselves of what we began with. We're not out here trying to get this done as quick as possible.
It's coming to life.
This is a project that we're taking our time with, and we're pretty happy with what we've achieved in the time that we've spent on it. Feels different already, and when you look from the road, it looks like a completely different place. No longer run down, no longer unloved. We're definitely giving it some love, and we're really happy with how it's looking at the moment. Thank you for watching us continue to brighten up the front of the villa. As always, likes and subscribes are greatly appreciated. We hope to see you again very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching.